Hi, today I want to discuss about Hi, today I want to discuss about game theory or how we are using game theory in order to get better understanding of a system. So it's pretty simple idea and I'm going to use the board to show it visually. But in a nutshell, every element, when you have a problem and you have to understand the domain of the problem, one of the main things that you should do is understand what are the parts of the system. You know, if you're dealing with organization, there are obvious parts of the system like organization unit or people. It depends which level you are focused in resolving an issue. And there are other assets that being managed, everything that is measurable, you might want to depict or define as a part of the system. Now, once you have all the parts of the system, you definitely want to do a mapping that we call the game, how they're playing the game. So that's the name of the matrix. And the idea is pretty simple. Every element in the system has an attitude how they're going to interact or work with other elements in the system. And we are going to simplify it to two types of games. They can be collaborative or they can be non-collaborative. And the idea is to create a matrix. So let's go to the board. So once you defined your parts of the system, you want to create a matrix. Try to really simplify it. So let's say that we are high level. So we have marketing, we have operation, we have, let's call it IT, and we have human resources. Let's say that the domain that we are talking with. So we will build the same on this Excel as well. So we have marketing, operation, IT, and HR. Now the idea is to go and see how each other sees himself playing with the other side. So we will use purple for collaboration, and I'm colorblind, so I don't know which color this one for non-collaboration. So let's say that marketing irrelevant, but marketing operation, they see themselves as cooperative, and marketing IT non-cooperative, and marketing HR cooperative, and ops marketing cooperative, and ops to ops, no, not relevant, not relevant, not relevant. Ops to IT, let's say collaborative, non-collaborative. It's all fictional, yeah. Collaborative, so I'll fix it in a second. Non-collaborative, collaborative. Just let me go and change the non-collaborative to a different color. There's another one, non-collaborative. So this is how one side of the interaction sees it. Now we are going to do the other side. So an operation looks at marketing. They see it as collaborative as well. They see it as non-collaborative. That sees it as not collaborative. Collaborative. Let's do another two non-collaborative. non-collaborative, non-collaborative, collaborative, collaborative, collaborative. Now, the idea about this matrix that it helps you to focus where there are potential issues. So definitely every place that you can see that there is non-collaborative game or approach to the game from both parties, like here and like here, this is a really area that you want to focus. Why IT and marketing both playing a non-cooperative game? This is something that definitely going to impact the problem that you're about to explore. Same goes to HR and IT. Same idea. Then you're going to focus on all the places there is an asymmetric relationship. So those will be the first, and the second going to be asymmetric relationship. We have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. So HR to marketing, IT to operation, and HR and marketing. So here also, those asymmetrics relationship also depict a problem, because you definitely want everyone to be on the collaborative side. So that's all. This is the model. This is what we are doing after one of the first things that we are doing after we understand the business domain or the organization domain when we have a problem to resolve. Pretty simple to do and pretty eye-opening. Usually people will be surprised to see the results because everyone sees the relationship, whether they're collaborative or non-collaborative, in a different ways. And it's interesting to see it's interesting to see the interaction between people when they see that they don't necessarily see each other in the same light. Anyway, once you understand when something is non-collaborative, there are different tools to dive in, and we'll do it later, that actually based on game theory to understand which tactic actually each one of them using in order to be non-collaborative, because the tactic has influence on the solution that you would like to put in place. So that's all. I hope that it's helpful. This is pretty easy model in order to understand how groups or people interact within a system. Thanks.